Okay, our project for today is a Tesla Model 3 front bumper. Something flipped up on the freeway and tagged the front right side of the bumper. And so we are going to be repairing that today. We have already started this video after we had already done step 1. We cleaned it and thinned off the bumper. And we've did step 2, which was tape and paper. And so we're ready to move on from that. Alright, here we are with the Tesla Model 3 front bumper. It's the 3-stage pearl. As you can see, I got it all papered and taped off now. I'm about ready to start sanding out the scratches. So here's a close-up. So I think he said something kicked up on the freeway and caught him. So the tape job was a little bit tricky down in there, but we got it all good, and I'm going to start going. Alright, moving on to step 3, we're going to use 180 grit sandpaper to sand out the damage. And along with that, I'm going to use my metal protector to protect the tape job and some of the moldings on that side, as you could see, because the sander was hitting it. So we're going to use that as well. Alright, moving on to step 4. It didn't all come completely out, so we put a little bit of filler putty in there and then sanded it out. At step 5, we used 320 grit to sand out the putty and the 180 grit. Alright, moving on to step 6, we're going to be scuffing out and feathering out with the superfine scuff pads and then priming the area. Then we're going to go over it again with the ultrafine scuff pads all the way to where we're going to be blending. And then after that, we're just going to clean it off with wax and grease remover. So everything's prepped and ready to paint. And then we'll look up the color code, mix it, and then we'll be on to step 12, tacking off and ready to paint. Alright, we are all painted and ready to put the clear coat on. So here we go. Okay, we're now mixing the clear coat, and it's a 3-to-1 ratio for the Speedo Coat Glamour Coat, and we're going to be applying the first of 2 medium coats, being careful to overlap 3 inches both horizontally and vertically, so it's a nice even coat. Then we're going to do the same exact thing, going about 3 inches past where we went the time before, using the same process. And then once we're done with that, we're going to want to wait 2 to 3 minutes before removing the tape and the paper and all that. Okay, we're all done. Here it is cleared. Customer just saw it and was really happy. Obviously he loves his Tesla, has done a lot of the film on the lights and the blackout of the chrome and the tinting on the windows. So this guy is just absolutely loves his Tesla and is very happy that he was able to get those scratches taken care of at his house. So until next time, guys, thanks again. All right, go for it.
Hey guys, my name is Rafi. This is my Tesla Model 3. A couple weeks ago there was a metal flying object on the freeway that kind of messed up my front bumper. Jonathan came out in a couple hours, did a fantastic job, completely redid the front bumper. Upon close inspection, it looks absolutely amazing, and I basically highly recommend them. And one thing I love about Jonathan is that he really loves Teslas, and it's obvious from the work that he does that he really takes great pride in everything that he does. So very satisfied, highly recommend him.
Hey guys, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and check out greenrecontraining.com for a bunch of free resources. Till next time, thanks again.